Hi, it's Paddy from the UBC. Quick video. We've got a brand new double tap airsoft pellet trap, so to speak. I bought that earlier in the week, and now it's the first time I'm going to try it. Also, what we've got is a brand new Ruger SR1911 airsoft pistol. So first shot fired, and first shot fired into this one. So here we go. Magazine. Okay, that was at five meters, just under the 6 yards. Think I saw two bounce back, but it's only slow. The rest looks like you stayed in there, so happy day. So there you have it. Stuck paper target on there. First shot I got was there. Just aimed for that one. Put some more BBs. Aim for here. Then obviously whoops on that one. Though what I can say is a lot of the BBs did stay in here. Only a few came out, but they weren't like rapid back. So minimal ricochet. Didn't go here, there. Just out and a little bit, so you know, says it does basically what it says on the tin, really. So nice one, nice happy addition. Sadly though, it's not, it's a bit too wide for down the entry, so it's just going to be close quarters for this one. However, I ain't fussed with the airsoft. I'll just go inside the bunker further back with the rifles when I use this. So every time we use airsofts now, we'll be using this as well. So happy days. Thank you. Try now.